Sumagot si Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Heredo sa kabila ng sinasabi ng ilan na maituturing na unconstitutional ang ilang bahagi ng draft sa Bangsamoro Basic Law o BBL. Ayon sa punong maestrado, gagawin ng Korte Suprema ang lahat para masigurong ang mga batas na nilikha ng Kongreso ay alinsunod sa 1987 Philippine Constitution. Anya maituturing na isang challenge para sa Korte Suprema na tingnan ang konstitusyon. Una nang sinabi ni retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Vicente Mendoza na may ilang provision sa draft ng BBL ang unconstitutional kabilang ang bahagi kung saan papayagan lumikha ng parlamentaryong gobyerno sa panukalang Bangsamoro Region.
Our deep concern is that sometimes the Constitution is not being considered very seriously in the discussions that are going on, maybe in the other branches of government, maybe even by some sectors. So our duty is to ensure that everything that comes out is always in accordance with the Constitution. So that is a key message for this day, I think, on the part of the judiciary.